There are two ways to own your dream house in Abuja. Firstly, you can go through the long, tedious process of erecting a building from the ground up. Secondly, you can go the Coral way. The Coral way saves you time and money. It will deliver your dream homes with just a snap of your finger. Please permit me to introduce to you Coral Homes, an exquisite residential estate, prime of your convenience in the heart of Abuja. I know you like what you just saw, right? Treat yourself to luxury because you deserve it. Why don't you call the numbers on your screen right now for more information?